So this is definitely one of those fall scenarios that's pretty typical. And what we want to do is look at the really prominent pieces of structure in the fall, okay? The ones with very sharp breaks, steep drop-offs, because as the water cools in the fall, those fish are going to like to hang off the edges of those pieces of structure. So what you'll see here if you look at the mapping is we actually have a little saddle area with 2 points that come together. Something that looks really good, basically an area where there's a runway for fish to go back and forth, but really sharp breaks along these contours. Focus on only fishing the areas that you're seeing the fish. And that's what we're doing with active target. You know, Tom, Nate, or I, we're on the bow mount, we're cruising at high speeds, going back and forth with that bow mount and active target to find specific fish. If we see 1 or 2 big fish, we'll stop on them. All 3 of us will pitch our baits to them, see if we can get them to bite. But even more so, we found a lot of areas by the use of active target that have big schools, 8, 10 plus fish. So this is one of those scenarios that you're not just going to want to look at the good pieces of structure, but only target and fish the areas that you're seeing your fish on active target.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.